Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really cool idea. Basically I have this purse. It's really old and it's really torn up, putting it lightly. Basically, I was just lying down and I had my closet door open. And on the very top shelf, I saw this towel. I just kept looking on it and thinking like, it's such a pretty color, right? Like maybe I could do something with it. So I started thinking, okay, maybe if I got like a cap, I could make it like with this material, right? But I don't have any caps. And then next to it, I saw this old purse line, which is I was really gonna throw it out. And the idea was born. Why don't I just put this material over this purse?
Hey guys, it's me. So basically, here's what's up. As you can see, the bag is ripped in multiple places. This is because I was riding a bike and it got in between the wheels. So that's why it was sort of unusable. So I'm going to try to fix that.
Okay, so basically here's what I want to do. I want to put the blanket over this part and also the back. However, I want to leave this area gray and also the chain gray as well. So it will be kind of like a mix between like gray and blue.
First things first, I'm taking off the straps so I don't get anything on them. Next, I'm basically putting a towel over it just to see where it should be and where I should trace it and cut it later. Here you can see that I already made the tracing and I'm going to cut it in that pattern. This is basically where I'm going to glue it, and this is sort of just like a little preview of what it's going to look like. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well so I can cut both pieces out, and here's what they look like. I'm going to take some super glue to glue that stuff down, and I'm going in around the edges first and then later I'm going to fill it in. So I'm going in and making sure that I get it everywhere. Here's me placing the thing. I actually switched it over later because I got the wrong part on the top. Basically, that's the process. You just glue it, press it down, and do the other sides. Here's again the other side of the bag. I'm placing the glue onto it, and then I'm placing the bag and pressing it over. Here I am doing the same thing in the middle just so it stays intact and in place. I'm being very careful around the button area so it sticks, so I don't have any problems with it later. I basically am pressing down and doing the last few edges. Here I also have this hole that I'm filling in with glue just so it doesn't rip open, and again I'm pressing it down. I'm cutting off the extra pieces on the sides to give it a more trimmed and pretty look. By the way, later on other sides, I tuck that stuff in. Here's how it looks like when it's done, and it looks really nice. So now I'm doing the other side, and the process is pretty much the same. I just glue stuff on, place the towel over it, tap it, and then do it again on the other sides, just like I'm doing here. And yeah, I think it's not much of anything really, but it's fun. It's kind of relaxing too. Here it is. This is what it looks like when it's finished. It looks really nice, especially on this side because I actually tucked the edges in. Here I am cutting in the hole where I made sure to put glue later. This is so I can actually close the bag with comfort. This is what the hole looks like now. As you can see, I'm just trying to get it a bit more big so the button can actually fit in there. And just like that, I need it to close properly. And this is what it looks like in the end. It actually looks really good. As you can notice, I decided not to cover the front part and the blue stuff because I thought it looked much better. Here's a little montage of me just modeling with the purse, and I think it looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. But I actually have a project in mind with the towel, so stick around for that because honestly what I do with it is pretty goddamn cool. And you guys are gonna want to see that. I hope that you guys like this video because it was a really interesting thing to do.
Anyway guys, I am so happy with the way it turned out. It's so fluffy, it's so cute, I love the color. I mean, it goes great with my outfits as well. Like even the sweater, it's practically the same color as the stripe here and it looks really good on it. I'm also very happy with how it turned out on the sides because I tucked it in very nicely and it looks very professional. It's just very cutesy, very fun, but also kind of elegant. Now, I still have a lot of this blanket left, so I think I'm going to save it for future projects. I think I'm still going to do the cap idea because that sounds fun, right? And just imagine the cap with this bag, amazing. Anyway, I hope you guys really liked this idea because I did. If you guys want to see more crafts like this, tell me, please. And share it with someone who might like it. You know, I'm just starting out this YouTube thing, and I hope that you guys like my content. I love you guys, and bye!